Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain numerical based on variable mass system. First question, a gravel is dropped on a conveyor belt at the rate of 2 kg per second. We need to find the extra force required to keep the belt moving at a constant speed 3 meter per second. So in the previous session, we got the formula when mass is variable dm by dt with velocity. Now in the present question, dm by dt is given as 2 kg per second and velocity is 3 meter per second. So answer is 6 newtons. So this is the force required to keep the belt moving. Fourth option is correct. Let us move to the next question. A horizontal jet of water coming out of a pipe of area of cross section 20 centimeters square hits a vertical wall with a velocity of 20 meter per second and rebounds with the same speed. The force exerted by water on the wall is. So in the previous session, we got the formula F is equal to rho A V square. So this is when if jet of water hitting the wall. So if you want to incorporate change in speed, you have to change this as rho A V into V. So now this V you write it as rho A into V minus U. On hitting the wall, jet of water moving back with the same speed. So therefore V is equal to minus U. So therefore rho A V, this is V minus of minus V. So it will be 2V. So rho A V square with 2. Now let us substitute the values. F is equal to rho is the density of water. Density of water. It is equal to 10 cube kg per meter cube. Now 2 into 10 cube kg per meter cube. Area cross section is given 20 centimeters square. 20 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Because remember 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So you can also write this is 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2. But here centimeter square is there. Now V is mentioned as 10. V square will become 100. No. So here 1, 2, 3. So there will be minus 1 left here. If you cancel this plus 3 minus 1, you will be remained with 2. Now 2 2s are 4 into 100. So it will be 400 newtons. The third option is correct. Let us move to the next question. A block of mass 5 kg is at rest on a smooth horizontal surface. Water coming out of a pipe horizontally at the rate of 2 kg per second hitting the block with a velocity of 6 meter per second. So we need to find out initial acceleration of the block. So just imagine the question like this. This is the block of mass 5 kg. So this block is hit by jet of water with the dm by dt mentioned 2 kg per second with the speed of v is equal to 6 meter per second. Now F is equal to velocity constant variable mass means you can write dm by dt with velocity. Now this jet of water force with jet of water making block to move with the speed of jet of water moving with the speed of 6 meter per second and making block to move with acceleration. So therefore it is equal to ma. So a is acceleration of the block. Now dm by dt is given as 2 kg per second. Velocity is 6 is equal to mass of the block is 5 acceleration. So this is 12 by 5. Acceleration is equal to 12 by 5. 2 times 2 will be left 4 times. So 2.4 meter per second square. Third option is correct. Let us proceed with the next question. A disk of mass is kept floating horizontally in mid-air. by firing 10 bullets per second vertically up. The mass of each bullet is 50 grams and bullets rebound with the same speed. So what we need to find out is speed of each bullet. Just to imagine like this. So this is the disc. It is floating in air by the firing bullets in upward direction. Now they mentioned that dm by dt with the number of bullets as 10 bullets per second. 10 bullets, mass of each bullet is 50 grams. Fired per unit second. And they are bouncing back with the same speed. So therefore, F is equal to N into dm by dt. Let us write this as V minus of minus U is equal to the force by the bullets onto the disc is balanced with the weight of the disc. So now N into dm by dt is 10 bullets with 50 grams. This is minus 3. Remember, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So this can also be written as minus 3 kg. 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Now this part is over. Speed is same but opposite direction. So therefore this will be V plus U. So it will be 50 plus 50, 100. And there is minus 3 also here. Is equal to mass of the disc. Yeah, so we need to find out speed. But it will be 2V. We need to find out that M is mass of the disc, M. It is 5 kg given. Gravity is 10. But remember, it is 50 grams given. So minus 3. So what you can write is, these two zeros will be cancelled. You will be remained with 1. Now V is equal to 50 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 1 because 5 to the 10. If you take this up, it will be 500. 0, 0 cancelled. So speed of the bullets is 50 meters per second. So third option is correct. Thank you very much, students. In my next class, I'll proceed with the concept of connected bodies. So in that, first one will come as apparent weight of lift when it is with the passengers, without passengers, and thereafter I'll continue with the bodies connected with the help of rope. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.